Hello and welcome back. Today's video we're going to be going through some of the coins which I've been purchasing over the last few months since the last one of these I did. I used to do regular unboxings when they used to arrive, but I think it's better for now to do them as a big bulk opening. It's kind of fun doing that as well. Heads up, I am a little bit under the weather. Unfortunately, I will spare you any gory details. I was cleaning a glass and it broke and cut my hand quite badly. So for coin hunts, I will have to record a few coin hunts before my hand is fully healed. I've got some cotton gloves I'm going to put over my hand just to protect the bandage from getting dirty, and then once the bandages can all come off, which won't be very long to be fair, I'm still going to wear a glove because I'm sure most of you don't want to see a horrible gross cut on my hand, but doing well. I've got movement in my hand, that's all fine. It's just I don't want to put too much pressure or exertion on that part of my hand, so if I'm a little bit slower in the next few videos I'm recording, I do apologise. You'll just have to bear with me. So then, I've got my box all neatly stacked next to me. We've got the first one, which we'll see how easy it is to get into. Wonderful. Okay then, so this one I was surprised it took so long to come. I must admit, I thought I already had it. The Brilliant Uncirculated ones came very, very quickly. So this is the Flying Scotsman. I think it was the first coin out of the annual set to have its own individual release. So there's Brilliant Uncirculated, Flying Scotsman, £2 coin. There's the same coin, but this one had a bit of colour on it too, which I thought was really, really cool. Not many £2 coins have colour on them, so this sort of sets this one apart as its own unique sort of thing. So I was quite the fan of that. Then we have the silver proof. It's very weird having to get used to using my left hand over my right hand because I am right-handed. So yeah, it's a bit of a shame, as with the Brilliant Uncirculated coins, lots of the packaging is all very uniform. There's obviously a bit of difference with what's on the side, but it's a shame because in the past we used to get really cool, unique packaging. So into the silver proof here, no, other hand. So we've got the bump which comes with it, and reveal the coin. So you can't really see that the glare, but there we go. Silver proof £2 coins are possibly my favourite silver proofs. I love the way that the gold works. Makes the design really, really pop. So some colour on this one. So interestingly, this coin without the colour in silver proof you could only get so far from the annual coin set. So if you bought the annual coins or the commemorative set, that had a version of this coin without colour on it. Turn it over, of course we've got King Charles III. It's worth noting with these, I have pre-opened these packages. This isn't the first time I'm looking at the coins. I have to do that just to check for the quality, although I'm just now noticing a little mark on the king's head there. I think there might be a bit of debris that's on the inside of the capsule. I would give it a wipe, but I can't really do that with one hand at the moment, but I did check these over, and one of the first thing I do when I get my silver proof, I screw the capsule a little bit shut. I think that might be what causes some toning to happen. I was going through all my coins, and it seems the ones that were slightly loose, they were the ones that had toning on, whereas the ones that have been sealed all the way shut, and it's a very slight turn. If you think of this as a clock face, it's about a 5-minute turn that it needs to be fully sealed. But there we go. What number did we get? The numbers don't really matter, but it's always interesting. 2,383 out of 5,782, so a fairly high number given the grand scheme of things. But move on to the next one. So in we go. There's the silver, there's the coins. Let's get rid of this box. So this one is the last of the Harry Potter series, the 25 Years of Magic. This is Hogwarts School. Cool coin. It's got that latent image to the left there that changes from a 25 to a lightning bolt if you get the right angle. It was a strike your own as well. Up and down, got that one too. And of course, as with many coins, it came with a version with colour on it too. Sad these didn't go into circulation. I think the Harry Potter coins would have done wonders for the hobby if they were out in change. You'd have all these Harry Potter fans looking for the coins, finding other commemoratives and realising there's a whole slew of coins that you can collect and complete a collection of. So yeah, bit of a shame, but I do quite like this one. I think this might be... It's either this or the Hogwarts Express that's my favourite of the 4 Harry Potter designs. But Silverproof is in this box. Right, give it that. Gosh bang wallop. So if we get into this, open that up, comes in this nice little Perspex box. What does it say? Draco Dormans, whatever. I think is that the motto for Hogwarts? I think I've read somewhere. But again, very cool coin. I do quite like that. What number did we get? Oh, that's a big number. 6,755 out of 15,000. Wow. Well, there we go. I do like this one. It's been a cool set. I'm not a massive Harry Potter fan, really. So I was pleasantly surprised with how happy I was with these coins. Right, next up is another one of the early releases I was waiting a while for. Get into this. It is the Bull of Clarence. So, part of the Tudor Beast coin range, which took the mantle up from the Queen's Beast collection. Some of these will be similar creatures. The Bull of Clarence, there was the Black Bull of Clarence in the the Queen's Beast collection, but pretty cool coin. I quite like these designs. I think I prefer the Queen's Beast collection, but I still think this is a great continuation of that kind of series. Into this box then. I'll chuck this out of the way. We have as the 1 ounce silver proof. Right. Doing this all backwards, so it's a bit, like I said, bear with me on it. Inside there he is. Just slowly lever him out. I don't think this series has been as popular as the Queen's Beast series, but it's nonetheless, I think, a lovely coin. Is it David Lawrence who's designed these? Obviously Jodie Clark designed the Queen's Beast coins, but another lovely addition to this glorious set. On with the next box. So now we're getting into the Coronation coinage, which I've had the majority. I'm missing 1 coin from my Coronation orders, which hopefully will be with me soon. So this is the Coronation 50p, minted to mark the coronation of King Charles III. The first coronation many of us will have witnessed or have memories of, which is pretty cool. It was a strike your own coin, strike on the day, and it is the current strike your own coin at the Royal Mint, which obviously I went down on a big weekend recently, had a great time there with a bunch of coin tubers, friends and viewers of my channel, so that was a great day. So that's a lovely one. And then of course the Silverproof 50p. I was amazed at how well these did. They sold out very quickly, so if you get your hands on one of them, well done. Quite what the value does over time is another question, but I was glad to get what I got. So there we have it. And again, this coin we will see in circulation at some point this year. We don't know exactly when. When we were down at the Royal Mint they said 2 or 3 weeks, but obviously what's really intriguing about these coins is that King Charles, can we just get rid of that? There we go. Is pictured crowned, which on UK coins hasn't happened since the reign of King Charles II. So that's pretty cool. Obviously queens have been shown as crowned on coins, but and kings have been shown as crowned, but for coins for the wider British territories and empire. But a very cool coin, and I won't be able to see this coin without thinking about what a fantastic weekend was had by all. Right, 5,135 of 12,500, so again, relatively high. Continuing the theme of coronation coins, we have got the £5 coin. Get rid of that box. So again, £5 coins aren't everyone's bag, but I think this is a lovely one. You've got the coronation crown with the 2 sceptres, which are wielded by the king during his coronation. Looks like it's a little bit not quite put in there straight, but we won't mind about that. But very cool coin. Obviously not one you'll see in circulation. They don't have £5 coins in circulation in the UK. We get the silver proof out. Get into the box. bump. Move that out of the way. And there we go. Very nice. So yeah, these were very quick sales. So good on you if you managed to get your hands on one. They've done very well in terms of the prices in the secondary market. So if you're trying to pick one up, it might be a little bit more expensive. But what number did we get? 3,564. So again, not particularly low, but not massively high. And the last of the Coronation coins. Well, there's no BU one for this one. So straight into the silver box. If you heard that avalanche of all the cardboard, which obviously I will pop into my recycling. We've got this one here, which is the 1 ounce silver proof coin. It's the third design. Similar to the Queen's Memorial range, there was a 50p, a £5 and an ounce coin, as they seem to be calling them. Use that. There we go. Look at that. It's a stunning coin. I think the 50p is my favourite, followed closely by this one. So there's lots of very cool design elements and choices in this coin. I think it's absolutely stunning. And there's this one I'm missing one of. I did buy the 1/40th of a gold ounce version of this coin. I think seeing all this detail on such a small coin would be really cool. And of course, as with the 50p and the £5 coin, the king is crowned on it, which I think is very, very exciting. Have a look at the little slip. 8,714 out of 17,500. So not too shabby, but not low enough it's rather exciting. Penultimate coin then. Into this box. Penultimate box, I should say. Sticking to me now. Okay. Oh, box is stuck to the box. This is one I was quite intrigued to see in the flesh after I saw the images of it. So this is the 2023 Proof 1 ounce Silver Britannia. I did buy the 1 and 2 ounce last year, but I decided to just go with the 1 ounce this year. Oh, this is a pain, isn't it? Can we get it open without causing myself any mischief? We certainly can. So, get into the coin. He says, I saw the design image and thought that looks very weird. It's a bit disconcerting. I think, in all honesty, it looks much better in person. These are the hippocampus, sort of horse, mermaid hybrid weird things. Kind of, they do look a bit odd. They've got weird faces, but I think it works much better in person than the design. Much like the 2019 Paddington Bear 50p's. I saw the initial design and thought, ugh, but then when I actually had them in my hand, they were pretty good. So yeah, quite happy with that. Very cool coin there. We've got a much lower number on this one. Triple digits, 581 out of 3450. So a lower limited run. So we've got a lower number, which is pretty cool. Obviously not the lowest we've seen in the past, but yeah, so pretty happy with that one. So then, last box, the most recent coin I've got. A couple of bits in there we need to get out. Another box for the file. So this is the Myths and Legends Merlin £5 coin. It's the second coin in the Myths and Legends we're going to get this year. Obviously it's covered Sherwood Forest with Robin Hood, Little John and Maid Marian previously. And this latest tranche of 3 coins had King Arthur earlier this year, Merlin more recently, and Morgan Le Fay later this year. And I must admit, I think this is an absolutely beautiful coin. I think it's David Lawrence again, so the same designer that did the Royal Tudor Beast coins, but I think this is a really snazzy design. In this box, of course, we will have the silver. It is worth noting that these coins that I buy in silver, this is not an investment. This is purely for my own collection. If I was buying coins as an investment, I definitely wouldn't be buying modern proof coins. So many of them don't get any, well, they don't raise in value. And at worst case there, you can end up snapping them up cheaper after release. But there we go. I think it's such a lovely design. Really happy with this one. The King Arthur one I really liked as well. The light catches it right. It just looks absolutely stunning. And hopefully the Morgana or Morgan Le Fay one continues this run, because like I said, very much a fan of this coin. So yeah, the 1 ounce silver proof. It's also available as a bullion coin as well, which I think is kind of neat. This tranche of 3 coins was the first in the Myths and Legends to be released as proof coins in addition to bullion coins. We've got number 558 out of 2,500. So again, much lower presentation limit, but there we go. I thought that was a very, very snazzy coin. So there we go. It's been good pickings recently with the Royal Mint. I'm really happy with all of these coins. My favourite though, it is probably the Merlin £5 coin. I was unsure. I was tempted by one of the Coronation coins, but I think definitely my mind has been swayed that Merlin is the best out of this bunch. In terms of the design, obviously, the Coronation coins have done quite well value-wise. I'd be interested to see what the rest do, but like I said, I never buy coins as an investment. It's always just for my collection. So let me know in the comments which is your favourite of these coins. What's your favourite coin that you've purchased recently? Are you going to buy some of the new coins we know are coming out, so the Morgan Le Fay or the Ada Lovelace £2 coin, or the Star Wars 50p's, which I've spoken at length about, and I'm very excited for them to come out. Links as usual to my coin collecting Discord server are in the description of the video if you want to come on and join that. There's also links to my Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok. There's the PO box address you can write into, and of course the Britannia coin company who I work for, making videos for them, so please do check out that YouTube channel as well. All it leads me to now though is thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed. I'll see you next time for more coins. Bye.